Students, let us learn theorem 5, Pythagoras theorems. The statement is in a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on the other two sides. Okay, already we learned this statement. Now we are going to prove the statement geometrically. Okay, how to prove the statement? First, in a right angled triangle, so we have to draw a right angled triangle. The square on the hypotenuse. How to find out the hypotenuse? It is the opposite side of the 90 degree. The square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square on the other two sides. Okay, so you have to find out the other two sides square and add that. Then if it is equal to the hypotenuse square, we can say the Pythagoras theorem statement is proved. Are all clear? Whenever we prove a theorem, we have two parts. First one is statement, another one is proof. Okay, now we are going to do the proof. In the proof, first one is we have to draw the diagram. We can draw a right angled triangle. Okay, we can draw a right angled triangle. We can adjust the side length. You draw like a right angled triangle. Okay, so using the scale, you make this right angle here. Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. Now here we have the right angle. Okay, the name of the triangle we can give as A, B, C. Since angle A is 90, which is the hypotenuse, it is BC. Okay, now BC is the hypotenuse. Angle A is 90 degree. So we can write that in the given part. Given in triangle ABC, angle A equal to 90 degree. Okay, second one, under proof, first diagram, next given, next what you want to prove. To prove, what is the statement of the theorem? Square of the hypotenuse. What is the square of the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is BC. So the square of the hypotenuse means BC square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. What are the other two sides? AB and AC. So AB square plus AC square. Okay, so you want to prove AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Okay. Next, for proving from the vertex A, you have to draw a perpendicular line to the opposite side BC. Okay, from the vertex A, you have to draw. Now here, this is angle 90. Like this way, this side also angle 90. Okay, you can mark this meeting point as D. Now, ABD is a right angled triangle. Like that, ADC is also a right angled triangle. Okay, we can write that in the construction part. Construction means for proving extra what you do in the diagram. That is the construction. Okay, it is draw AD perpendicular to BC. Is it correct? Next, we can do the proof in the table format. Okay, first we will compare the triangle ABC. It is the first triangle, and the triangle DBA, this small triangle. Understood? First this big triangle and the small triangle. In both triangle, angle B is common. Am I correct? In the big triangle ABC, angle B is there. Like the same angle triangle ABD, also angle B is there. So angle B is common. As also this angle A is 90, and in the same way angle D is 90. Okay, so two angles are same. So we can say by double A property, the two triangles, this big triangle and the small triangles are similar. Okay, that we can write first. So for writing the proof, we can make the table like this. First, number, statement, reason. Okay, you have to put the number. So first point, we are going to compare the two triangles. Okay, triangle ABC. Here roughly I draw. It is not compulsory, these four diagrams. For explaining the proof, I drawn like here. It is those who necessary for writing or learning, you draw. Otherwise, no need. Okay, here we are going to compare these two triangles. Okay, that means this big triangle and this small triangle. ABD. Okay, you see here angle A is 90, angle D is 90. That means angle BAD, BAC. Okay, angle BAC is equal to angle BDA. Okay, these two angles 90. Then angle B is common. In both triangle, angle B is common. So by double A property, we are going to write. Now you see, you have to write compare triangle ABC and triangle DBA. Okay, we can write angle B is common. Then angle BAC from the first triangle and angle BDA from the second triangle, it is equal to 90 degree. Okay, it is from the big triangle, it is from the small triangle. Understood? So how to write the reason? This is given in the question. We took the angle BDA, it is by the construction. Okay, this angle BAC is from the given part, BDA equal to 90 degrees from the construction part. That we can write in the reason. Given angle BAC equal to 90 by construction angle BDA equal to 90. Okay, are all clear? So since both the angles are equal, we can write by double A property triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA. Very careful to write this triangle name ABC. So A angle is 90 degree, like the same D angle also 90 degree. Okay, angle B is common, that means it will come in the middle. Okay, starting it is 90, middle is common angle, then the remaining. Okay, like the same you make one unity and write the name. Are all clear? It is not necessary to write in the same order, but first triangle how you make the name, like the same you see the second triangle formality and write. Understood? Okay, so now the triangles are similar. This we can write in the reason by AA similarity. So we can write the corresponding sides ratios are equal. Okay, corresponding sides ratios are equal. You see here this AB, it is the side with the vertex 90 degree and equal and common angle. Like the same here BD. Okay, DB 90 degree with the common angle. Okay, like this way you take the side AB and DB. Are all clear? Therefore, AB divided by BD or DB is equal to the other one side. We can choose the hypotenuse. Now angle A is 90. So what is the hypotenuse? BC. Angle D is 90. What is the hypotenuse? AB. Okay. So first triangle only we choose for the left side. So we here also the hypotenuse we can choose from the big triangle ABC, which is equal to BC divided by the hypotenuse of the second triangle, the small triangle is AB. Are all clear? Now we can cross multiply. So we will get AB into AB, that is AB square is equal to BC into BD. BC into BD. Okay, it is the first one over. Next, second one, we will compare the big triangle ABC and the small, this one, ADC. Okay, that's also I drawn here. You see the like the same. Here we choose this 90 degree, this 90 degree and a common angle, no, for the left side of this ratio. Like the same way, here also we will choose the ratios. Okay, first I explain how to prove the similarity. You see this angle A is 90, like the same angle D is 90. Okay, angle A is 90 and angle D is 90. So we can say this two angles are equal to 90 degree. It is from the given and construction, like this same reason. Next, you know this angle C is common for this big triangle and this small triangle. Okay, angle C is common. So we can say by A8 similarity, these two triangles are similar. When you write the name, you be careful, like the previous one, you write in one order. Okay. So you can write the two triangles are similar. After writing the similarity, we can say the ratios of the sides are equal, corresponding sides are equal. So we can take the same order, 90 degree common angle, 90 degree common angle. So AC divided by DC is equal to the hypotenuse BC divided by, here the D is 90 degree, so AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, BC divided by AC. Understood? Like the same, we can write for the second set also. Then we can compare and add the first two and find the answer. Are all clear? So we will get the first one, AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second one, AC square is equal to BC into DC. Okay, now we can add this two. So we will get AB square plus AC square in the left hand side, BC into BD plus BC into DC in the right hand side. Okay, we can add and simplify and try to get the two proof. Understood? AC square, BC square in the right side. Are all clear? Adding 1 and 2, we get AB square plus AC square, it is the left from left, both left side values, is equal to BC into BD plus BC into DC. Okay, now we can take the common BC outside, that is equal to BC into BD plus DC. Okay, BD plus DC. Now you see the diagram, what is the value of BC plus DC? You see the diagram, BD plus DC, what is the value? BD plus DC, it is totally BC. Okay, so we can say BD plus DC is equal to BC. Are all clear? So, which is equal to BC into BC. Same value we are multiplying, that is BC square. Okay, so we get, what is the left side value? AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Are all clear? We get the two proof part, so we can write hence proved. Okay, this is only the proof of the Pythagoras theorem. Very easy. Please understand and learn this. Okay, by heart the statement, proof, everything. Okay, matter from the diagram you write this box. Table you write from the box, from the diagram. Okay, if you by heart you can change the names, so you will get the wrong. Better from the diagram understand and write the table. Okay, please learn it correctly, so you will get 5 marks fully. Okay.